Crafts for adults can yield incredible homemade results for gifts, wardrobe, home decor, party, and entertaining items, and on and on. For this step, we're using white acrylic paint on the walls. Feel free to paint the house with the colors of your choice. We're painting the main roof with green and the small tower roof with dark gray. On the bricks, we're gently brushing some brown and red shades. Whereas for the stones, we're using some gray shades. Final steps. We enjoyed making this little fairy house. Hope you guys loved it too. The house is now finished. You can add some LED lights inside and use it as a night lamp.